Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to check your Windows version. So you might want to download an app or download a software and it needs a specific version of Windows. How do you check what version of Windows you have? So this is like a very simple thing to do. And yeah, so you're just going to go into your search bar and search for WinWare. Okay, WinWare, and then open it. And here you will be presented with all the information. So you can see Microsoft Windows version 22H2. That's my version. You might have 1909 or 1809 or whatnot, so or 20H2. So yeah, this is my version, and you can see it is licensed. So basically the product key is activated. So yeah, that's a simple way to check your Windows version and whether it's activated or not. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.